Oh yeah, you got a nice fish. Holy crap. I might have just caught the biggest bluegill ever. Holy crap. What? Are you kidding me? That thing is a monster. Holy crap. That thing might go a pound. What the hell? That is insane. That is the largest bluegill I've ever caught. Holy crap. That is crazy. Look at that guy. Look at him. That is insane. That is by far the largest bluegill ever I've caught. Wow. You never know what you're gonna catch. Oh, look at this. This guy is huge. That guy is huge. I don't know if I have anything in, I don't think I have my scale or anything. That is crazy. That is a huge bluegill. I'll let you go, buddy. Wow. Holy crap. That's crazy. I wasn't even gonna come out and fish for bait today. I was just gonna fish on the river. And if I didn't do that, I wouldn't have caught that fish. That is wild. That is the largest bluegill I've ever caught. That thing was definitely close to a pound. 100%.